Have you ever looked up at the night sky, spotted that tiny red dot, and wondered if we could ever call Mars home? I know I have. But turning Mars into a place where we can actually live, breathing, thriving, maybe even growing a little garden, well, that's called terraforming. And, honestly, it might be the most ambitious science project humanity has ever dreamed up. So, what would it actually take to make Mars Earth-like? For starters, Mars is cold. Like, really cold. The average temperature hovers around minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit. And the atmosphere? It's 100 times thinner than Earth's, made mostly of carbon dioxide. Not exactly the kind of place you'd want to step out for a stroll. The first big challenge is thickening that atmosphere and warming up the planet. Some scientists suggest building giant factories to pump out greenhouse gases. Think of them like super-sized versions of Earth's pollution, but on purpose. The idea is to trap more heat and raise the temperature. Others dream even bigger, redirecting asteroids or comets rich in ammonia to crash into Mars, releasing greenhouse gases in the process. Sounds wild, right? But let's say we pull that off. Next up is the issue of water. Mars has ice, locked away at its poles and under the surface, but it's not exactly ready to fill up your swimming pool. We'd need to melt that ice, turning it into flowing rivers and lakes. That alone could take centuries. Then there's radiation. Unlike Earth, Mars doesn't have a strong magnetic field, which means deadly solar radiation streams right down to the surface. Any future Martian colonies would need serious shielding, either building underground or creating artificial magnetic fields to keep everyone safe. And even if we solve all that, there's still the small problem of gravity. Mars only has about a third of Earth's gravity. Over generations, that could change how our bodies work. Bone loss, muscle weakening, maybe even new health problems we can't predict yet. So, is terraforming Mars possible? Maybe, but it's not going to happen overnight or even in our lifetimes. The truth is, we'd need technology that doesn't exist yet, incredible global cooperation and a whole lot of patience. But here's the thing. The science behind terraforming Mars isn't just about moving to another planet, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's about dreaming big, and then working together to make those dreams real, even if it takes centuries. So next time you look up at the night sky and spot Mars, remember, that little red dot isn't just a planet, it's a challenge. And maybe one day it could be our second home.